One more question for you. You said that they make these in different sizes. I didn't know that.
Yes, they do.
So this one it's set up to seat four, let's say. Okay, so what other sizes do they have? One that's just this big?
Yes, for single use.
For single use or
yes.
for two people?
Yeah, for single. Then there's one for two, I think.
Oh, wow.
And this is 3 to 4, and then there's a unit that seats 4, but the benches face each other.
Uh-huh.
So there's 4 different units.
Well, I could see, so if you had a choice, if you had a chance to do this all over again, what would you have done? Would you have still gotten one this big? Because you only come in here pretty much on your own.
This is...
so would you get a smaller one?
No.
No, you wouldn't?
No. I would buy this again.
Just because it's a little bit easier to kind of move around?
Yeah.
Okay. But if somebody did want to, they could get these smaller. And I'm sure it's probably on their website. They probably have a website, Thera Sauna.
.com.
Probably therasauna.com. Check that out. Thera, Thera, saunas, or sauna, SAUNA.com. See what comes up, and good luck with your decision. Hey, there's one more thing we want to discuss, and that's about the radio. Laura, you had a good point on not having the radio in here. What was it?
It was because I wanted the peace and quiet, time to meditate and reflect.
And the way you can do that is we can turn the light down, we can turn
sound up.
We can turn the sound down,
or
we can even turn both of those off. You can turn the light off. You can have the light off in the bedroom and just be in the dark. I like to be in the dark because it gives me time to get my mind going. So you know what?
Exactly.
I think I'm going to do that. And I'm going to turn this whole thing, well, actually I guess this light here stays, huh?
Yes.
That's never going to go off until the time goes off. But I think I'll turn this down in a few minutes, and then I'll just close my eyes. I could use some goggles, or one of those masks when you're sleeping.
Yes.
Let's say you put some earplugs in, turn all the lights off, and just kind of sit back and think about your day. Think about nothing, and that's when certain things come up to your mind. It's never going to come up any other time. This could be your think tank.
Exactly.
Oh man, I think I need to get one of these. Thanks for bringing that up, by the way.
You're welcome.
Ooh-wee, I'm sweating like a big dog. Well, I've been in here plenty of time now, and I feel pretty good too. I almost had 2 quarts of water. She recommends having towels in here so you don't sweat all over the wood and get it marked up. I mean, you're going to get some moisture on it, that's for sure, but not too much. And another thing, on the temperature gauge, I wanted it at 117. It's not on there anymore because it's off. But I guess I should have set it like about 119, and then it would have gotten to 117 nice and easy. Might take you a while to get it right up to the exact temperature you want. So go a little bit higher. You can always go down a little bit after that, or open the door, or anything of that nature. All right. I loved it. Okay, I just got out of there, and I wanted to give you some more information. This wood is aspen, North American aspen.
Yes.
And didn't you say something about non-allergen or something?
It actually has no ill effects.
No ill effects
on anybody.
Okay. And it's already off. So what's going to happen now? Because I didn't see an off button over there.
It's off.
Okay,
And you see this screen, this is your home screen, so this is the off screen.
so that off screen, all I have to do is turn the light off right there, and then it's just going to go off by itself. Because see, with that off, this screen is still on. Does that go off after a few minutes, probably?
No, it
that's my
stays
guess.
on, but I always unplug it because
Oh, okay.
I just
Okay, so
do
that
that.
stays on like all the time, but you can unplug the whole thing if you want. You know, because it's just a plug that goes into the wall. Okay, it's kind of dark in there, but I think you can see that. There's a plug in there, so you could just reach that and unplug it. Okay. Wow, this is a pretty cool setup. Thank you for letting me try it out.
You're welcome.
See, I wasn't kidding how big it was.
Oh,
It's not very big. And right up against the wall, see, here's the bedroom wall. They left a little bit of an area right in between here, and they ran the cord there, and they plugged it right in. That's where that new circuit is. That way you can kind of walk through here. And see, it's in a bedroom that's maybe 11 by 10, let's say. And there's still enough room in here. Yeah, there's a little bit of a mess because we're getting ready to clean it out so we can do some work on these floors. So everything's kind of in a jumble right now. But this is really, I think, a pretty good idea for somebody if you're looking to be healthy and to even lose a few pounds, have some friends over, have a good time in the sauna.